The 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.